one of the sacrifices you're gonna make, is that because you don't have that much time available, you will have to have some priorities. And so you're gonna become really great at managing your time. And so you're gonna look for productivity hacks. You're gonna look for ways to manage your time better, because you're gonna look for ways to organize your time. You're gonna find out new people, and it's gonna help you to become better with your time management. So you're gonna do less and less time wasting things, and you're gonna focus your time on what is really your priorities, because you cannot do everything. You cannot have everything today. You would have to choose, okay, what do I focus on right now? What do I really want right now? I remember when I started working on everything that I'm doing, I had too many ideas, and I really had a hard time focusing on what I really wanted. And so maybe it was 7, 8, I don't remember, probably something like that. But because I didn't have that much time available, so when I started to work part-time, and then I had to work full-time, because the part-time work didn't bring me that much money. And so I had to go full-time, and then I had less time available, and so I had to choose and focus on what really mattered for me. It was very difficult, the process of cutting things off, but it was also good, because now from 8 I went down to 2, and even those 2, it would be better for me to just have one, but because I cannot choose, so I do both. But even having those 2, I know which one is my priority, so I work on that one first, and then when I have some time available, I work on the other one. But even in this situation, I prioritize. So, and I don't have that much time available, so I really have to be really, really good with my time management skills. I cannot allow myself to sleep really late and then be tired, because I know I will have to recover from that, and so that's less time that I can spend on working on moving things forward. So you see all kinds of things.